Good afternoon once again. Thank you once again for being part of this video, and it's a wonderful day again for us to be together. And today we will be doing our analysis on Euro USD. So let me clear my chart now. Let me clear all my charts. This is Euro USD, and what we'll be doing today is we will be discussing on how we can leverage this particular market. And in my previous videos I explained that before you enter into any trade, you have to ask yourself some questions before you venture into the trade. You can't just say you want to trade a market without having a direction of how you want to go, whether you are going short or you are going long. So those two things must be put into consideration as you trade along and as you enter any trade. So before you do that, you have to look at the environment of the window. What is the market saying presently? What is the trend of the market? What's the trend of the market? So based on this lower time frame, you can see that the market was previously moving in downward direction, but there was a rejection of price here. There was a rejection here, so the market is moving upward in upward side. So you can see that the market has already broken our 50 EMA. As you can see from the chart here, the market has broken our 50 EMA. Here is the 50 EMA. It was moving into the downward side before there was a break on this particular area to this level. This happened just an hour ago. So what are we expecting to trade in this market? So before we trade this market, let's check what is really happening in the long hours range time frame. So let's see the 4 hours time frame and see what is happening in that place. So you can see from the 4 hours time frame that what we saw from the 1 hour is quite different from what is happening in 4 hours. As you can see now, that from 1 hour is telling us that the market is about to change direction. That the market has already broken this particular area of the chart. The market has already broken this particular area of the chart. Now if you go to 4 hours, you will see that you have a contrary opinion to that. From the 4 hours, you can see that the 50 EMA that was broken from 1 hour, the market is just to break it from 4 hours. As you can see now, that the market is yet to break this 50 EMA. So there is still possibility of downward movement for this particular trade from 4 hours. As you can see it. So let's check previous occurrence on this particular area line. So that's the area that we want to trade. We have seen the area. So let's check what happened previously on that particular area. So this is the area that we are seeing from the other side. So the market was moving like this. It's touched the 50 EMA, still go down to this area. Let me also mark the particular area there. That's the area of support. Then another area is somewhere here as well. This is an area, there's a multiple touches here as well. This is an area, you have multiple touches, 1 2 3 4, so we have multiple touches here as well. So it's an area that we have to take cognizance of that particular place. So as you can see that there was a break in this area, the market was moving to upward side down to this area. So let's see, let's check what we could also be expecting from this particular trade. So from this particular trade, you can see that we are expecting the market on this Euro USD to break this particular trend line, particular moving average. So if this market is able to break this area, so we are going to go for a buy, and our buy is going to, here is going to be our take profit. Let me draw our long position. So here is going to be take profit, then this place is going to be our stop loss, our take profit, and here is going to be our stop loss. So I will make it to be a line. Let me make it to be a line, not to be a fill. Let's just have a line in that place. Let's have a line. Let me put a line there. Let me use this. Let me use the horizontal array line. This is our take profit. So I will make it green, or possibly blue. Then our entry for this particular trade is going to be somewhere here. I will make it green. That's a sign of traffic that is ready to go. And then the stop loss is going to be somewhere here. So I'm going to make it red, so I can now delete my short positioning. So in this trade, our risk to reward is, we are risking $1, $1.9 to gain $2. That's ratio of 1 to 1.2 or 1.3 as the case may be. So I'm going to delete this, since we have our analysis on this particular trade. So as you can see that we have this in this trade. Here is our opening, there is our take profit, and here is going to be our stop loss. So that's what we are going to do today, as we expect this particular trade if it comes to our side. But in a situation when this trade did not come to our side, so it shows that if market is unable to break this particular moving average, though actually this is supposed to be our area to go for a short, but we just want to go for a short buy. We want to go for a short buy because this is a solid bodied candle. It's a bullish engulfing candlestick that shows us this sign of strength that buyer are ready to take control of this trade. This is a very bullish candlestick that shows that the buyer is going to take control of the trade. And if you are a student of the chart pattern, you will understand what I'm talking about here, that there is possibility of buyer taking over this particular trade. But before then, If buyer did not come in, so it shows that the market is going to go in that downward direction. So the market is going to go in downward direction. So that's what we are going to trade today. That's what we are going to trade today. Thank you very much for your time today. I want you to subscribe to my channel for more content and for more video. I want to urge you to on the notification button, so that when we upload any video or when we are live, we're able to be part of the trade. Thank you very much for your time. God bless.